Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install JuggernautAI on mobile phone, which is an application based on strength training workouts. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you guys. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for JuggernautAI. You can see the app here. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time depending upon the internet connection. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Now you can use it for your workouts. So this is how you guys can download this app for your workout trainings. And if you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.